Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Site. So today I'm gonna unbox this Toshiba 16 GB pen drive, which is a USB flash drive, also known as it is trans memory, and the version is U202. This is 16 GB blue color of Toshiba. This is actually USB 2.0. As you can see right over here, it is written very small. The term USB 2.0. So actually how much you are getting is 14.4 GB out of 16 GB. The maximum storage is 16, but actually you are getting is 14.4. And this is version 2.0. There are other versions also of this. This is U202. This is blue in color. You can also get this same U202 variant in white color also. And over here you can see the Toshiba, the genuine one. This thing is always there in the genuine Toshiba pen drives or SD cards. This product is made in Japan, as you can see. Yeah, this is made in Japan. The dress is written in Japanese, and some more details is right over here. There's other version of this thing also, which is actually this is 2.0. Also 3.0 version is also there of this device. So let me cut this thing. So this is a very nice brand from Toshiba from Japan. There are other brands like SanDisk is also there, but this is also a very nice brand. This is the product over here. This is the Toshiba pen drive. This is made in Japan, as you can see, genuine one. And I guess over here is some kind of warranty. It is written as limited warranty, as you can see. Keep the product out of children and pets, of course. And if it overheats, you must turn off your PC. And let me keep this aside. Open this thing up. So here we have the this pen drive. You can see, looks very nice. Made in Japan. Let me open it. Oh, this thing's very tight. This is for the first time, yeah. Look, 2.0 version. You can tie something over here and move. The build quality is definitely very good, let me tell you. Earlier what used to happen was that this product is made in Japan. Earlier it was like made in Philippines, but now it is made in Japan, and Toshiba is a brand from Japan. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel Technical Side, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.